going down the river. It's about a 2-hour tube ride. 2-hour tube ride. Let's go.
I'm gonna put my feet out. Hello, guys.
Come on, can't pick it
Today we have enjoyed a partial day at Sun's River Ranch. It is located in the San Marcos, Texas area near San Antonio. When we pulled up, the attendant basically told us where our cabana would be, and it's a private cabana that has a picnic table, a center table, seating, even a hammock, and then this nice little bar area with stools. Also has a grill and your own personal trash can. So about 200 feet away, the river is right here, and it's a nice casual ride of 2 hours. They say it's about 1.5 miles in length. There's some areas that the stream picks up a bit, but overall they give you 4 complimentary rafts, and the family, we all rode down together and just enjoyed the scenery of it all. And then they have a shuttle at the end that they'll pick up one person, drive us back to our car, and then they'll come back and pick up the rest of us. And then we came back and we're just enjoying the rest of the time here. I should have done a little more research, because we could have brought a few more things to make it a little more enjoyable, but overall we really enjoyed it. So highly recommend this place, and hope y'all will enjoy this time too, like we did. Bye.